You smell that? I've got no people on it. Weird, I don't know why. Look at that scale, isn't it? Look at the eyes on that. Look at the eyes there, but you have to tell me what your favourite is when you see it. What's your favourite? Line up, remember them. Which one? Oh yeah. Look at the doggy. So cool. Oh, this is like one of them weird bands that people think. That's cool though, isn't it? That's a beast, that innit? Big deal. It's good. That's cool. That's cool as well. That's beautiful, that. Absolutely beautiful. So, great. That's beautiful.
No choque hoy. Peligroso.
What's your favourite up to now? Impala before.
Julio.
Oh, you installed it. Claro. Got the wheels on that. I think it's, I'm not sure. I'm not actually sure. Kick cap? I don't know. I'm not sure what that is.
I think it's kick cap.
Yeah, that's cool as well, Rick. That sounds good. I like that as well. Cool. I think the Beetle's pretty cool though. You do a lot with Beetles. This key's so low. You do a lot with the Beetles.
I like it.
How cool is that? That is so freaking cool. That was decent as well.
I think it's gonna.
Let's get it.
I want to see on switches.
Might have. It's good to see it inside.
We will have switches.
Yeah, that's it. Big ass truck. Come rolling back, sat in the back. That's how they used to go. Have a look. Just to do that. Sit in the back. Oh, put the lights on that.
Might have to. Might have an
Not American, is it? You have to run American one. Screenshot it. You don't lose them. Sounds cool, don't they? I like it. I do like rotaries. I've had an RX-7 on it, so. And an RX-8. The kid, love it. It doesn't change no matter how old you are. You're getting away with it, that's why you love it.